Hello everyone, I go by name Skywet, and you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, as if you have been following my channel videos, you know I'm a affiliate marketing coach and I'm also a software developer. And in this video I'm going to show you the tips you need to consider or to focus on for you to become a successful affiliate marketer. So number one, here I have find a profitable niche. Niche here means the group or the category of product you want to be promoting. For instance, we have health and fitness. On ClickBank we have health and fitness, we have software, we have computer, different type of niche. You can work with any kind of niche that you think you are best at promoting. Yes, maybe due to your experience or any niche you feel can be easy for you to promote. Yes, so number two, I'm moving to effective marketing strategy. So this is where I come in because remember I said I'm also a software developer, and I have developed this software which I'll be using over time now. It has been giving me excellent results. Like, let me show you. I can cut on one of my students that got my software and video course, and he has been doing fine a long time ago. Yes, so with my software you are going to be accessing more than 2,000 organic targeted traffic daily online from digital platforms like Instagram, and you are going to be getting sales from these targeted traffics because they are going to be buying your product because they are targeted traffics. My video course also contains step-by-step method on how to generate targeted traffic from each niche or product you are selecting to promote on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So let me just go back to the matter we were discussing earlier on. So we have effective marketing strategy. So this is a way by which you promote or you market your product or niche that you've selected from the affiliate marketing platform for you to get conversion and getting paid. So we need the effective marketing strategy, and we have two major type of marketing strategy in affiliate marketing. We have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. The free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yeah, the paid traffic system, let me start from that. This is a method by which you promote, you create adverts on digital platform like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. You create adverts, you a paid advert to targeted audience on digital platform. Then that's a paid traffic system which you promote, and they channel your products to the targeted audience which you selected for a particular period of time. But the second one, the free traffic system, that's where I'm coming because as a software developer, as an affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer. So as I said earlier on, that I have a software which I develop myself, and it earns me between $400 to $700 daily and up to $5,000 weekly. Yes, so my software is very effective, and it is a free traffic system, which means you don't need to pay for the traffic which are going to be generated, and it has no limit. Yes, because I develop myself, I do not put any time limit. Maybe your subscription, or you just continue to get targeted traffics daily through my software. So the third one, we have building audience. Yes, after you've you started promoting for a while on affiliate marketing platform, you would have met several people, so you learn to gather audience. Yes, you know your customers, you develop relationship if possible, because a person that bought from you today through your link may also be interested another day to get the same product or different product through you. Yes, if he likes your service. Yeah, so also we have optimizing conversion. Yes, you have to optimize your conversion. Every conversion made, you have to use it to the maximum. You optimize it. Yeah, so this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course, and is doing fine. As you can see on the screen, this is excellent result. So for you to get started, to get my software and video course and start on any of our affiliate marketing platform, please contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get started and start any, even as a beginner. Yes, that's the beauty. Even as a beginner, you can start any from home. Yes, and my software is applicable to other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, any affiliate marketing platform, even Shopify store. if it's because they take similar way to promote on affiliate platforms. So remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyrector71@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen to get started and start any